Where are you going?
To Langkawi.
Where?
Alright guys, so this morning we woke up, we were picked up quite early in the morning and they arrived a little bit in advance, which is why we didn't have time to start the vlog. So now it's been 2 hours and a half we left the Airbnb. We're now in Tran on the mainland of Thailand, and we're gonna go down south on the main road up to Satun with the second minivan here. And then we're taking a ferry from Satun to Langkawi, and we should arrive by 4:30 this afternoon. So let's go.
No more?
No, 2 person.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's hop into another bus.
Yes.
And this bus, it's only the 2 of us.
I know, we're so lucky.
Alright, we just changed into a 3rd bus. And guess what? We still have the bus to ourselves.
By Langkawi?
Yes, please, Langkawi. Yeah, the 3rd bus was like a 5-minute ride. And we're changing for another one. This one? Looks like he said yes. So Jay, so far.
I hit my head.
Okay, don't worry. You told me like 4th time.
But it hurts and I have a bump now, okay?
How's your head? You're too sleepy. So,
What?
how many bus, pickup, tuk-tuk?
It wasn't bad. So we did 2 hours and a half in the first, an hour and a half in the second, 10 minutes in the third, an hour in the fourth, and now we have 10 minutes in the Sante to the pier.
Yeah. And then from the pier we have
A ferry, yeah. But,
then-
but every single one is like waiting for us, so it's not bad. Okay. So 5 hours and a half ground transport later, we finally see the water, and that's where we're gonna take a ferry to go to Langkawi.
Passport, 5 minutes I give for you back.
My only question was like, take my passport, but is there any food? We got it passport back, and she got us the tickets with it's 350 baht if you buy the ticket yourself at the port, and we have assigned seats 82 and 83, so we're seated together. Yay. But it has it's at 3:30, so it's gonna be in an hour and a half.
Oh,
And
so
you
I have some time for editing my videos.
Yeah, and we have to board 30 minutes before, so and we have an hour here.
Yeah, these are so yummy. They're like Asian apples or pears, I don't know.
Asian apples, huh?
I don't know how you call them. If you guys have any clue of what
they're
these
like-
are, they
look radioactive. What
yeah,
is this
but
color?
they taste so fresh. You know, in hot weather like this, I love them.
I think it's guava, babe.
Okay, it's very cold in here.
Yeah, AC is like
Right in front of us.
it's okay. It's better than no AC, right?
Jade finished this whole bag and she's searching for more food.
I'm hungry.
Okay, what do we have here?
I used to eat this one as little. So you use the noodle, you break them into little pieces, and then you pour the seasoning in it.
You guys remember that she ate the plate before embarking on this boat?
It's not a tiny, tiny plate with no rice, okay?
Okay, so slice of life. This is how we travel. Jade went to take out some money at the ATM and she's organizing our taxi to our hotel. So that's her part of the job. Me, I would take care of the filming and the heavy stuff. Okay, it was pretty douche, but I had to do it.
Just went to withdraw some ringgit, it's called here, from the ATM right at the jetty point in front of the pier. It's really easy, so I didn't have to do currency exchange in Thailand. And now right on the left here there is a place that sells SIM card. So that's where we're gonna get out.
So we get out right?
Yeah, we're here. So this is the price list. So we're here and it's 30. So it's a fixed price.
We're almost there, Jade.
It
Almost
looks
there.
beautiful. It looks
Oh, yeah,
absolutely
it looks
beautiful.
And I'm so tired.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah. Okay, which room? Oh wow, look at the view right there.
Yeah, on the left again. Oh, so fresh.
Oh wow, that feels so good, guys. Fresh AC, clean, everything looks very perfect just as you walk in. Wow, that sunset is so red. Thank you.
Medium or large? What do you suggest?
Medium.
Medium? Medium?
Medium for
Enough?
both of you.
Okay.
Medium is
Do you
good
want rice,
to eat
babe?
so we can share.
But large, we can share even more. We're gonna take a large. Yes, I don't eat
We're
rice.
so piggy. We just arrived. I took a medium, Jade took a large. Can you guys imagine that?
Plus a soup.
Oh yeah?
This is crab meat with corn. Okay, this is not a very efficient soup spoon. They gave me like a tiny spoon.
Oh my god, guys. I ordered a medium.
It
and
looks fantastic. Look
Yeah,
at
it
lobster,
looks
that's
so
lobster,
Oh,
shrimp. Oh my god.
wow. Now I really doubt about myself if I can finish all that.
You wanted the medium. There you go.
But I cannot wait to see your plate.
Yeah, but
a
you
large
eat with
one.
rice. I don't eat with rice, okay? So that's gonna be different.
Look how fresh it is. Looks like it just came from the boat.
It is called the boat restaurant.
Has some ginger inside and onion. Oh, and look, your plate just came just at the right time.
That's
Oh,
fried calamari with salted eggs mixed into
And-
the batter.
that's me taking a piece right now. Oops.
It has salted egg in the
Oh
batter.
yeah, that's weird. I've never tried this.
Instead of salt,
Wow,
it's like the salted
Yeah.
egg yolk.
it's weird because you eat calamari, but it tastes eggs.
Because it's
York
like
egg.
salt, it's
Yeah.
salt and pepper usually, but instead of salt, they mix in the salty yolk
Wow.
from the...
That's
Salt and
revolutionary. We should bring this to Canada.
Alright guys, yum yum. That's it for today's vlog.
Yeah, it was a really long day.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna take some time and enjoy your food, and we'll see you tomorrow to have a breakfast by the beach.
In the meantime, if you guys are not subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button. It helps a lot. Also, click on that like button if you like this vlog. Leave us your comment. We do reply to each of your comments. It is much appreciated. Take care. See you guys in the next vlog.